Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you or going to show you the Risk of Rainmaker's Beginner's Guide tips and tricks. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first tip they have for you is to make full use of the camera option. So the player's main goal is to find the teleporter somewhere in the stage in order to advance to the next one. So this is easier said than done considering how deceptively big the maps are. So in order to find the teleporter faster, players can try zooming out so their camera can see the upper and the lower floors more clearly. And to do this, just go to the options menu and look for the zoom scale slider under the General tab and set it to 1.0 to maximize the in-game FOV. So just make sure to adjust the HUD scale as well so the UI isn't tiny. And then that's it for the first tip. And the next tip that I have for you is to always jump when fighting. So mobility is severely hampered when fighting in risk of rain returns. So when shooting, the player's movement will be slowed down significantly, making it extremely risky. So instead of holding down a movement key when fighting, players should jump instead. So jumping doesn't cancel the player's movement, which means they'll be able to move quickly while dodging incoming attacks and dealing damage of their own. So this makes Hoppo feathers incredibly valuable for all survivors except for the Huntress, who can move at full speed even while shooting. And then next tip is to get missiles ASAP. So flying enemies are the hardest to deal with in Risk of Rain Returns simply because players can't aim vertically or diagonally unless they're using pilot. So instead of trying to hit flying enemies by jumping or waiting for them to line up with the ground, players should try find missile launching items instead. So like the ATG missile or one or the disposable missile launcher. So bundle of fireworks and ceremonial dagger are also great at filling the screen with target-seeking projectiles. So alternatively, items like wisp, gasoline, barbed wire, and Tesla coil can passively damage flying enemies once obtained. And so that's it for this video. Those are some tips and tricks that you need to know for you to be in playing the Risk of Rain Return. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.